चाहो अगर तुम सोचो जरा मिल जाएगा रास्ता तुमको नया। चाहो अगर तुम सोचो जरा मिल जाएगा रास्ता तुम।
Assalamu alaikum. This is Roshan Alam. Today we are sitting in Sardar Yasin Malik Institute, Mirpur Khas. This is nice atmosphere we have got here. One of the best institute in the history of Mirpur Khas, and it is in Dholnabad. You are with us to enjoy this all. We are going to have fun here in this institute also. This is one of the biggest institute of Mirpur Khas and one of the most decorated institute in Mirpur Khas. So let's see today in Mirpur Khas we have made this tremendous atmosphere, providing two things here. One is computer and second is English language. So let's see what's going on here. Move towards. Let's move and see the computer lab here. This is most beautiful lab in Mirpur Khas we have seen here. Students are working here. You can see they are working on computer. And nice style we have got in that. You can see the whole preview. You can see some teachers there. You can see some students doing. There are 45 computers are here. Okay. Today we are in Sardar Yasin Malik Institute, means SIMEX. Today we are going to have SPC, Students Promotion Conference. And let's enjoy there in SPC what's going on there. They are enjoying. Students are in full mood. They are having full emotion. They want to improve their English language. This is the Institute for English Language and Computer Science. So let's go and see what they are doing there. Let's move. Let's go on for first session. That is the session of presentation. So who will come first for presentation? Who has made himself ready to make presentation? Let's move for presentation. Okay, come on. Who will come here first?
My name is Anil Kumar. I study in class metric. I had better speak English because English is very important for my life. English is homogeneous language, international language, and I can speak English. I am proud of me.
A little bit introduce to myself. Who is I? I'm Muhammad Imtiaz, son of Sheikh Muhammad Bhangar. I'm studying in inter class, and I'm. We got several countries don't know about this country language, so we take the. You can say that we talk in English language in this country. So it is very necessary. I advise you to please, you must be learn about English. It is very necessary for us.
Different class inter management belong to developers too. I am learning English in Science Center because English is very necessary for us. It is international language. So please concentrate on your study. You must be do in English and concentrate on your mind. Thank you.
We are optional work, any better, just English. So it is just only considered and English. Without English you can't anything because we are very necessary. It is international language. So please consider your aim and language. That's all.
My name is Zain Ali. My father name is Liaquat Ali. I live in Jannadas Colony. My favorite game is cricket. I am listening to North.
Little guy is coming now. Very little he is.
My name is Abdul Atiq. My father name is Abdul Qayyum. I am a student of class 7. I belong to because I am listening to and cartoon like cricket and it's my favorite. Hobbies play cricket and listen to North. I want to play cricket.
Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Today, my topic is how can we progress? How can we progress? Yeah, my dear friends, today my topic is how can we progress? Before I tell about my topic, I just say that thinking is very important. You know why? Because we want to be a doctor. It means we think about in present. We want to be a future. In future, we want to be a doctor. We want to be an engineer in future. But we think now in this time. Why? It means the thinking is very important. And everyone know about the condition of Pakistan now in this time. You know, Pakistan is a very bad condition now in this time. Why? Because we don't think in this time. If we think, then we think about the useless things. You think why we think useless things? Now I answered you. We think about the useless things. You know, Pakistan is a big country. We have lots of natural things and lots of things. You can say that special things to other country, but we are in a bad condition. Why? Pakistan is the one of the most country they export, but why we are not successful now in this? Or the candles. If light is fell, then we burn it. It is the useless thing. It is my point of view.
He most beneficial and most merciful, and the all blessings of our God and all hopeful our God. And now I will start my topic. So today my topic is Quran. What is Quran? Quran is a thing of recite, but we have left the Quran. Quran is think of the recite, but now we have forgot. Why our country is going on back to back? We know very well about it. Our Quran is saying speak truth, but now we are saying tell a lie. Our Quran is saying just follow. If you want to success in one life, just follow the Quran. But now we are just following the money. And now we are saying our country is going on a back to back. We should think. And one thing I will tell you, a man should be hopeless here. A man should be hopeless here, but hopeful hereafter in the real life. Because this life is a nothing. We should prepare for our real life. We should prepare our real life, because when we go to graveyard, we must think before few years this person take the breath, but now my prayer. So how will God accept our prayer? Quran is saying don't take a bribe. Quran is saying anybody not saying. Quran is saying that don't take a bribe, but we are taking a bribe. So how will God accept our prayer? When we left these things, automatically God will blessing us. God will blessing us because we are Ummah of Muhammadi. Our Muhammad one, our Quran one, our God one. So why we are divided in the Africa Tasuk Parasti? Why? We should think we are defaulter. We are defaulter. If we want to change our condition, so we will have to follow the Quran.
Now it was peaceful. Now this is not. Because sometime we said that in Karachi, person was killed or his mobile is snatched, like Geo News, Aaj News and Express News. Media channel great work. Some news channel must great work because this is his responsibility. But some news channel is working well. I think you watch TV and listen news. News channel tell breaking news कि आज फिर कराची में टारगेट किलिंग शुरू हो गई. कौन मुलविस है? And sometime news channel tell us is like behind the